Hello Balloon World, I'm your balloon twister, that balloon guy, and I'll be showing you guys how to make a balloon dog, okay? So all you're going to do, you take your 260 balloon, it doesn't matter what color, take a pump, and what you're going to do, you're going to put it over the nozzle, and then inflate about two-thirds of the way. About two-thirds of the way. So this is about two-thirds of the way about. I know this looks like a lot more, but that's kind of what ends up happening. Put a little air out. I just did twice now, and then tie. A little squeeze at the end where the knot is to make sure it's nice and soft everywhere. So about 2 to 3 inches, maybe a little snout, because this little knot right here is gonna be the nose. Okay. Then we're gonna do take about 2 inches or so. Make a little ear. This is what you're left with. So now you're gonna do, now with the ear part right here, you're gonna fold it over, and then twist. Twist. Now these obviously aren't the best. They aren't scaled the size very well, but I have to work with that. Doesn't matter. You just make a quick balloon dog. So you want to make them about roughly the same size, but don't worry about being perfect. At a party, it's not gonna be quick. Then roughly about the same size, maybe a little longer, a little less, doesn't matter. It's up to you. Make a little leg. There you go, a little leg. Okay. Then you're gonna do, fold it over again. Fold it over again to make sure it's roughly about the same size, and twist. And you go squeeze a little bit. Now here comes the fun part. Well, I'll say the fun part's coming up soon. We're gonna take a little bit longer. Okay, we're gonna take a bit of tail. It's probably about a little longer than the size of my hand with my hand, so it's probably about a little more than 5 inches. And then hold on to that. Take about 2 inches. Try to make it the same length as your legs, and twist. Then fold it over again. Twist. And here comes the fun part, but also challenging part. For new people, this is a very challenging thing. I know I struggled with this at first too, but I'm gonna show you guys how the easiest way to do this. Okay, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a little, you can take a little bit of slack in your fingers. Okay, now see I'm not pinching the entire thing off. I'm just grabbing a little bit in the end, pulling as far as you can without working the balloon, and squeeze down. Squeeze the air down. There's magic there. Some magic right there. Now this next part's optional, but I'm not gonna be too excited. I don't think I have a marker, but this next option, you can draw little eyes on it. Doesn't matter. I mean, it's optional. So yeah, you can draw little eyes right there, and then you're good. Oh well, this was me making a balloon dog. Hope you guys learned how to make a balloon dog and had much fun as I did. And hope you guys enjoyed. Have a nice day.